everything feels meaningless. That thought won't leave my head. I wanna disappear right now without a trace, leaving nothing behind. Despair is too mild a word to describe my current situation. I want it to be more normal. The fact that I'm even thinking like that mean I'm not normal. No medicine will work. Meeting you is my only life. There's no way I could resent you. You always surround me with warm words. I would sacrifice everything to protect that smile. It's always like this. Catastrophizing is troublesome. Can I change it with my own will? I can't even think about changing it. I can't muster the courage to take action. Oh, wasn't this kind of person I wanted to be more normal? Can you understand that wish? Just a slight misalignment of gears in this world where we lose everything. Does it even have any value? Meeting you was my only life. I'm nothing but grateful to you. If these feelings reach you, I'll be safe to protect the smile. I'll become a Diablo that destroys everything. It's always like this.
El jefe supremo de tiranos fueron mejorados. Cañones de movimiento.
I won't think about anything now. I'll just rest slowly. Someone says that's the right thing to do. Let's entrust ourselves to someone else's thoughts for once. Isn't it okay to seek healing? I'll gently close my